Welcome to JG Basic English.
Hey, Lucas. It's been a while. How are you today?
I'm doing well, and you?
I'm great. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. This park is very nice.
I like coming here to relax.
Me too. It's quiet and peaceful.
Look at the trees and flowers.
They are really beautiful.
I enjoy walking in the park.
I usually walk here in the afternoon. Do you come to the park every day?
Not every day, but often. How about you?
I come here 3 times a week.
That's good. Walking is healthy.
Yes, it's good for the body and the mind.
Do you work or study, Anna?
I work in an office. And you?
I study and work part-time.
What do you study?
I study English and computer science.
That's great. English is very important.
Yes, I want to speak better English.
You're doing well. You speak clearly.
Thank you. I practice every day.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and action movies.
I like comedies too. They are fun. Do you watch movies at home or at the cinema?
Mostly at home. It's more convenient.
That's true. I like watching movies at home too. Are you hungry?
A little. I didn't eat much today.
What do you like to eat? I like pasta, salad, and fruit.
I prefer pizza and sandwiches.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes. I'm not a great cook.
I like cooking. It relaxes me.
That's nice. Maybe you can teach me.
Sure, why not?
Look at the lake over there.
Oh, yes, I see some ducks.
I like watching the ducks swim.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it's sunny but not too hot.
I don't like very hot days.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes. I like staying home when it rains.
Me too. I like listening to the rain.
The sound of the rain is so relaxing. Do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my parents.
That's nice. Do they live far?
Not very far, about 1 hour by car.
I will stay home this weekend.
Sometimes staying home is good too.
Yes, I can rest and relax.
I really like this walk.
Me too. We should come again.
Yes, maybe next weekend.
Sounds good.
It's getting late. I need to go now.
It was nice talking to you.
See you next time, Anna.
See you around.